Let's study about letter F. And this is the big F and this is the small F. You go to your chair, baby. Can you color the big F and the small F for mommy?
Hi, Mom.
Hi. Can you color them for me?
Okay.
Okay, color them hard.
Can I color the line first?
Yeah, of course. Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
Yeah. And then the top pa. How about the small F?
Yes.
Color them.
Can I color the line first?
Yep.
It works.
Okay, the top. Okay, next. You have to draw a box on all the F's or on all the objects that begins with letter F. First, what's this? This is a fire.
Fire.
Does it begin with letter F?
That is cooks food.
Yeah. Oh. It begins with letter F or not?
It begins with letter F.
Yeah. How about this? This is a
Heart.
No, it's a fan.
Fan.
Fan. You use this to when there's no kuryente and then you use it to make it less hot. This is a fan.
Mommy, when we use a best picture like this in circle and we like this when there's
Yeah.
no current.
Yeah, it's a fan.
When I
Ah. Oh, you're gonna wake up the baby. Don't be too loud. Oh, this one. Isa. Isa, next. This is a goat.
Go.
Does it begin with the letter B and F? Does it begin with letter F?
No.
No. How about this? This is a gate. Does it begin with the letter F?
No.
No. How about this? This is number 4. Does it begin with letter F?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, how about this? This is a
Fish.
Does it begin with letter F?
But it looks like your fish.
Yeah, it looks like my fish. Does it begin with letter F?
Yes.
Yes. Put all the objects that begin with letter F inside the box. Here. Use this pencil.
Mommy,
Don't hide.
where's the what?
First this one. Fire.
Is this a fire to
Yep.
cook marshmallow or chicken?
Yeah? Okay. Put it inside the box so that it won't get out. Next is the fan. Put it inside the box.
A fan?
Yeah. Put it inside the box.
When there's no current, when we use like this and a best picture like this, when they sleep at the couch and use cell phone there and I was sleep there and Isa cried and Isa got her dede.
Yeah. Okay.
One day, Isa
Put
got
it inside the box na. Later na yung stories. Go. Box it, box it, box it. Good job. This.
four. I'm 4.
Okay, yes. You're gonna be 4 soon.
I'm 4.
Soon. Okay, put it inside the box. Yep, you're 4. Soon.
I'm 4 like this.
Next week, you're gonna be 4. You're 3 pa lang now.
And tree long.
Mm-mm.
I'm for long.
Okay, you're gonna be 4 soon. Okay, put it inside the box na, baby.
Okay. What's this?
4. F. Good. How about this?
Fish.
Yeah, put it inside an aquarium.
What? That's. What's this?
4.
But that's a circle.
It's an F. 4. Oh, dali.
Mommy.
Don't hide.
But Ava's gonna wake up.
No, she won't. Dali. Hurry up. Only 2 pages left. Isa, put it inside the box. Hurry up. We have to go to... Mommy has to go to work pa tomorrow. Dali. Okay. Next page, it says that tell all the name of all the pictures. They begin with the letter F sound. Oh, what's this? It's a...
A lily.
No, it's a feather.
A feather.
You know what a feather is?
Yes.
It comes from a what? The wings.
The wings.
It's a
Feather.
feather, yes. What's this?
It's fish.
This one?
But this one is look like a fish.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? It's you. Oh, what's this?
It's 4.
Yeah. This one? It's a
Fan.
good. This one? It's a
Finger.
good job. Okay, next page. You have to name each picture and color each picture which name begins with the letter F. Oh, this one, Isa. What's this? Isabel. You might poke your eyes. Here, hold this. You have to color the pictures that begins with the letter F.
There's a
Oh, what's this? What's this picture? Oh, this is? Can you tell me? What's this?
It's dog.
Does it begin with the letter F? How about this? This is a?
Fish.
Does it begin with the letter F? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, color it. Color it hard.
Can I draw her mouth?
Okay.
This one?
Yep.
Or this one?
Whichever you want. This pa, yung body pa niya.
And her tail pa.
Yep. Next picture.
And her...
Next picture, Isa, what's this?
It's finger.
Does it begin with letter F?
But it's my... It has a finger like
Yep.
this.
Yes, like you. Does it begin with letter F? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Color it.
Can I color the nose?
Yep, of course.
Or
And then you color the whole picture. Everything.
Everything?
Yep.
They put my finger?
Yep. Color it na.
Is it the finger like...
This is the last page, and if we finish this, and then we're gonna sleep na, okay? Color it. Oh no. Shh. Do it, baby. Hurry up. Okay. Next. This is a?
Door.
Is it begin with letter F or not?
Not.
Not. Color it or not?
Not.
Okay. Next. It's a?
Feather.
Okay? Does it begin with letter F or not? Not. Yes or no? Yes or no? You say it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, color it.
What?
Color it. Only 2 left. Oh, only 2. Color it na. Yep, it's a feather. It begins with letter F and color it. Hurry up. Color it hard. Sa top pa. Okay, done. Oh, how about this? What's this? It's
4.
color it.
Mommy, it's still 3.
Yep. You're gonna be 4 next week.
I'm 4.
Okay. Dali.
I'm,
Few more days.
how old are me?
3.
Huh?
Almost 4. Okay.
I'm 4.
Yep. Next week you're gonna be 4. That's just a short time na lang. Dali. Color it na.
But you said me I'm 4.
Almost. You're almost 4.
I'm 4 na.
Almost.
Kanina you said I'm 4.
Are you angry? Okay, color it na. This is the last one. Iza, show your face. Hurry up.
I got my pen.
Color it, color it.
Mommy, where's...
Color it hard. Okay, done.